Hi everyone, my name's Mark and today we're going to be building this Anakin Starfighter. Welcome to my LEGO life. So guys, I thought I'd start by giving you a brief introduction about me and the channel. I have always had a passion for LEGO growing up and I don't think anybody is too old for LEGO. It is so much more than just fun.
It can be a way to express yourself and be more creative. It can help relieve stress and be an enjoyable pastime.
Now, I'm an adult, so obviously I don't actually play with them.
I have them on display throughout my home.
I rekindled my love for LEGO during the global pandemic that unfortunately has affected us all. Now, building these sets got me through some difficult days and kept me sane, and now I want to share my love of LEGO with you all. Now, onto the set we're going to build today. This is Anakin's Jedi Starfighter from the very famous Star Wars franchise. So this set comes with two minifigures, as you can see here. R2-D2 and of course Anakin Skywalker. You also get his blue lightsaber. Now this set was released in 2018 and is currently around £47 on Amazon, which is about $65 US. The model number is 75214 and I've put a link in the description below. So, let's open the box. So, what I've noticed with LEGO is they don't actually put how many pieces you get with the Star Wars sets. It doesn't say on the box. So this set contains 247 pieces. The book is 82 pages long, so shouldn't take me too long, right? Nothing left to do now except build it. Got my timer ready. Let's go.
So, 31 minutes 20 seconds. Don't think that's too bad. And here it is. The cockpit lifts up so Anakin can jump out, and there's a space for R2-D2 as well. The Starfighter comes with fully working landing gear. Now this feature is my favourite. There's a little clip on the side here, and it's perfect just for Anakin's lightsaber.
Well guys, that's the first set down and I really enjoyed building this model and showing you guys all the cool features that it has. What do you think? Reckon you can build it quicker than me? Let me know in the comments below and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.